Welcome to Module 3, Ad Creation and Optimizations. In this lesson, we will discuss about Facebook ad formats. Facebook offers multiple ad formats to help advertisers communicate their message effectively. Each ad format serves a unique purpose. Each format performs differently depending on your campaign goal. The first ad format is the image ad. Image ads use a single photo to deliver a clear and simple message. They are easy to create and suitable for quick promotions. The second ad format is the video ad. Video ads allow you to showcase movement, storytelling, or demonstrations. They capture attention more strongly than static images. The third ad format is the carousel ad. Carousel ads allow you to display multiple images or videos in one ad. Each card can link to a different landing page or product. The fourth ad format is the collection ad. Collection ads combine a cover image or video with a selection of product thumbnails. They create an interactive shopping experience inside Facebook. The fifth ad format is the instant experience ad. Instant experience ads open into a full-screen mobile experience. They load quickly and allow for immersive storytelling. The sixth ad format is the slideshow ad. Slideshow ads combine multiple images into a video-like motion experience. They are useful for advertisers with limited video resources. The seventh ad format is the lead ad. Lead ads collect customer information through instant forms. They are ideal for lead generation campaigns. The eighth ad format is the Messenger or WhatsApp ad. These ads encourage users to start a conversation with your business. Now let's compare the effectiveness of these formats based on objectives. Image ads work well for brand awareness and basic promotions. They are simple, direct, and cost-efficient. Video ads are highly effective for storytelling and engagement. They help explain products and build emotional connection. Carousel ads work well for e-commerce businesses. They allow you to display multiple products or features in one campaign. Collection ads are ideal for sales and product catalog promotions. They help users browse products without leaving Facebook. Instant experience ads are effective for immersive branding. They allow you to combine videos, images, and buttons into a seamless experience. Slideshow ads work well in low internet regions. They use less data and still deliver animated content. Lead ads are most effective for capturing signups, inquiries, and email leads. They reduce friction because users do not need to leave the platform. Messenger ads are highly effective for generating conversations. Now let's analyze the technical specifications for each ad format. Image ads require a recommended resolution of 1080 x 1080 pixels. The image should have a 1:1 square aspect ratio. Video ads should have at least 1080 x 1080 resolution. They should use MP4, MOV, or GIF formats. Video ads should ideally be under 15 seconds for best performance. Carousel ads require 1080 images or videos for each card. Each carousel can contain up to 10 cards. Collection ads require a 1:1 square cover image or video. Product thumbnails must follow Facebook catalog specifications. Instant experience ads use mixed media. They must be designed for mobile full-screen viewing. Slideshow ads require 3 to 10 still images. Images should have consistent size and aspect ratio. Lead ads require a customized form. The form fields must follow Facebook's lead generation guidelines. Messenger ads require a call-to-action button that opens a chat window. The conversation template must comply with messaging policy. Proper formatting ensures your ads look professional and perform well. In summary, Facebook offers a wide variety of ad formats. Each format supports different goals and advertising strategy. In the next lesson, we will talk about Facebook ad creative development. Stay connected with us. Thank you.